In Abuja, President of the Pentecostal Fellowship of Nigeria, Wale Oke, has challenged Christians and indeed all Nigerians to take part in the 2027 general elections and have a say in selecting whoever becomes the leaders in the country. The clergy said this on the sideline of the inauguration of the National Assembly Christian Legislators Chapel by the Nigerian First Lady, Oluremi Tinubu. Bishop Wale Oke said Nigerians should embrace the political process to strengthen the nation's democracy. He also supported the federal government's move for state police.
At least we now know the president is now bent on making sure that the state police agenda works. We want to urge every member of the Senate and every member of the National Assembly to cooperate with Mr. President on the matter of the state police, and that they should put the legislation into effect very, very soon, so that every state will be governed by people that understand the terrain and can respond quickly and rapidly to the menace of these terrorists and kidnappers.